How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to 2A News Now. My name is Troy, and I really appreciate you taking your time tuning into my video. Before I go on with today's video, I just wanted to discuss something with you guys. For about the past 10 days, YouTube has been shadow banning my channel. I have close to 50,000 subscribers, and on average per video, I might get 1,500 to 2,000 views, which I'm okay with that. But for the past 10 days, I can't get over 1,000 views, except on one YouTube short video. So if you guys could do me a large favor and help out with the algorithm. And that of course entails all the usual things. By liking the video, sharing the video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't yet, and hit that post notification bell. And then one other thing that they have in their analytics is the view time of a video. I try to keep my videos around 3 minutes if possible. But if somebody only watches the video for a minute or a minute and a half and then stops watching the video, they won't recommend that video to other viewers. And I know my videos can be hard to watch sometimes because of my delivery and the way I have to edit the videos, because if I don't edit the videos the way they are, the videos would be much longer because I stutter when I make these videos, and people definitely don't want to watch that. So if you guys could please help me out and watch the video as long as possible, that would be greatly appreciated. Okay, enough of that. Let's get on with today's video. Connecticut is suing 4 firearms companies in a ghost gun crackdown. Connecticut on Tuesday sued 4 gun companies it accused of mailing illegal firearm parts with no serial numbers to an undercover state investigator. The latest legal filing by states and cities seeking to crack down on untraceable ghost guns. Pay particular attention to this next part. Announcing the civil lawsuit, Connecticut Attorney General William Tong displayed 80% AR-15 lower receivers that the company sent to the investigator. The components can be used to make automatic and semi-automatic rifles. As you can see, I mentioned that they said a civil suit, not a criminal suit. Ghost guns are an untraceable menace that exist for one reason: to invade law enforcement and registration, Tong said. Or maybe it's because, since the beginning of our country, people were allowed to make homemade firearms. They are a threat to public safety, and they are illegal in Connecticut. The civil lawsuit accuses the companies of violating state consumer protection laws, which carries a fine to up to $5,000 per violation. Tong suggested these companies also violated the state's 2019 criminal ghost gun ban, but he would not comment on any criminal investigation. Police across the country are seeing a proliferation of ghost guns. In Hartford, police seized 57 ghost guns last year, up from 21 in 2021 and 7 in 2020. Connecticut is one of 11 states that regulate the sales and manufacturing of unmarked guns. Connecticut joins other states and cities that have sued companies over ghost guns, including San Francisco, New York, and New York City. In state court in Hartford, Tong's office sued Indy Guns of Orlando, Florida, Steel Fox Firearms of DeLand, Florida, Hellfire Armory of Wilmington, North Carolina, and AR Industries of Orem, Utah. Indy gun owner Lawrence DiStefano, whose company is also being sued by New York State, New York City, and 2 other cities, called the lawsuit baseless. He said they are an attack on what he called craft gun ownership and a government attempt to track more gun owners. And the next part tells us exactly why they're coming after these companies. The only reason why these lawsuits were filed was to force a settlement that requires the defendant to turn over customer data. I will never turn over unfettered, blanket, indiscriminate customer data. So we have Connecticut suing 4 companies because of them selling so-called ghost guns to people in their state. And it's a civil lawsuit, not a criminal lawsuit. And then of course we really find out why they're filing this lawsuit: to try to get customer information to go after those people that have purchased this product as well. As always, I would really like to hear your thoughts about the story in the comment section. And please don't forget to help the channel out by liking, sharing, and subscribing, and hitting those post notifications. And if possible, watching the video to the end. And I really hope to see you guys in the next video.